The last morning coffee as Children's Commissioner for Judge Andrew Beecroft.
1.1 million children in New Zealand, and there's never a day goes by without an issue that relates to them arising.
Today's child is Paige, the only child in New Zealand to have her mother down as not recorded on her birth certificate. What do you feel about what you've seen with Paige's case?
Oh, I think it would draw tears from stone.
Paige's genetic parents are Kyle and Kat Harris. Kat could not have children, so they went through IVF and got their friend to be a surrogate mother. But Kat tragically died of health problems before birth.
I think it's sad beyond words.
The 1955 adoption law won't allow Kat's name on the birth certificate.
With legislation that's over 60 years old, it's palpably, demonstrably and unarguably unfit for purpose, out of date.
Over 48,000 Kiwis have signed a petition calling for change, and Paige's family have tried every official that they can.
For Paige, it leaves a gaping hole.
Judge Beecroft says it is even in breach of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of a Child.
I think it's absolutely unarguably in breach of the Convention. Article 8. New Zealand guarantees to all its children the right to identity.
The adoption law is under review, but Paige's family want it fixed now.
Everything in my heart says have a second look.
So one last task for the Children's Commissioner.
Today I will ring the relevant minister and say, for the sake of Paige, can we do something fast?
So Judge Andrew Beecroft picking up the fight for another child in his very last hours in the job. This time it is Paige and her right to her identity. He wants the government departments and the ministers that have so far ignored the family's pleas to take another look.
The role of this office is to be the advocate, to be the watchdog, and to push for change. And I'd like to think, as my last act, we could do something that might bring about change.
Final words from a man to who every child matters. Patrick Gower, Newshub.